create an interface for dish BP.8 dish. In the interface we have to add only one function add item with an input of BP food item. Create a class called BP dish with grabbable as parent. It would be a base class for dishes because now we are creating a base dish where we will mix food. Open it and use the interface BP.8 dish. Next add max item count of integer. Set value range from 1 to 5. Set dish as the category. Also make this variable public. Set 4 to default value. Add a function called hasPlace. With output hasPlace of boolean type. And make this function pure. Add a variable item of BP food items array. And set the category as dish. In the hasPlace function, check if the length of food items is less than max items count. Next implement add item as event, with food item as input. Add the food item to the array. And now we have to show that we added some food. First let's change the mesh to a cylinder and change its material. And make it a little bit bigger. Then change its height to make it look like a plate. Also change collider sizes to fit plate. And add a scene to a center. Rename the scene to a food place. Next, in the add item event, attach the new food item to the scene. Change all rules to keep float and move it to the 0. Open food item and override can be grabbed function. Call getGrabbed object of the player. And use notReturnValue as branch condition. If this condition is true, return true, otherwise cast a grabbed object to a dish. If the cast fails, return false. Next, check if there enough place for this food and pin the result to the return node. Open BP Grabbable. Add removing collision from the box and mesh and return it when the object is dropped. Then, in the grab event, select nodes where the physics and collision are removed and collapse these nodes to a function called remove physics. Next, open the event graph of food item, override the grab event and call remove physics. Next, get the grabbed object of the player. Check if the return value is true. If it's true, call the add item function of BP.8 dish and set self to a food item. If it's false, call the grab of the character. Next, let's add a dish to the scene. Check how it works. And here is one bug with dropping. Let's open BP Grabbable, find drop event, change the rules in detach from actor to keep vault. And run game again. In the next video we will improve our dish. Thank you for your attention and see you soon!